Good morning and welcome to Terry's Travels channel again. That was a little clip showing the end, the culmination of a trek we did yesterday. We walked from Arrochar, just at the end of Loch Loin in the Arrochar Alps area, and we walked up to the Loch Sloy Dam, which was part of the I think it was the north of Scotland at the time, hydroelectric power scheme. It was completed in 1951, and I'm going to check some of the details, I can't remember them. It's a 152 megawatt power station. Well, that's the dam for it. The dam itself is 184 feet high and 1,171 feet long. Wow, hardly seems possible, but there you are, that must be true. You can judge for yourself having a look at it. Hope you enjoy the walk. We had a fabulous time. The temperatures were about 23, I think, up there. Really sunny, but we all did the right thing and had our water and sunscreen and so on, as you should do. It's getting to the time of year when you need to watch out for ticks as well. So if you do these walks, yeah, check yourself over for ticks and don't go amongst the long bracken too much. Thanks for watching. Enjoy it and subscribe if you're not a subscriber of my channel already. Thanks a lot. Bye. Enjoy it.
But that one over the boulders they're doing straight away is...
Was that the way they're going up over the Narnian boulders first?
Yeah. So many nice places in it and just outside it.
Beautiful sound.
Really nice.
It's good. The only thing that annoyed me was the size of the screen.
Yeah.
And it's actually a touch screen.
Oh, you're joking?
Yeah, you can. Oh god.
Need wee pointy fingers.
Yeah, well you would. And there's that thing there. Should have a knob on it, and this is the second one I've had where the knob is broken.
Oh, right.
So I think it's a bad design flaw in it. And you can set that to do a couple of things. I can zoom in like that, zoom out with it, and you can also use it to point the gimbal up and down, but you have to set that in one of these touchscreen things. That's a real faff.
Some nice pictures of the
there's Terry doing his thing.
Thanks, Amanda. Oh, look at that view. So I walk into a marsh. Isn't that nice? Hello again, take my hat off a wee bit so you can see me. Yeah, thanks for looking in. Today we're having a wee walk up Glen Loin from Arrochar. Arrochar's a little town on Loch Loin, and it's in an area known as the Arrochar Alps because it's got some fabulous big peaks there, including the Cobbler and Ben Narnain, for example, and Ben Eam. So we're doing a wee walk, a low walk, and we're going up Glen Loin, heading up towards the Loch Sloy Dam. There's a hydroelectric thing down there somewhere. We pass by. You'll see a lot of cables around here in this video. So it's hydroelectric being produced from Loch Sloy Dam water high up here. Another hour, I think, or less, and we'll be up there. And hopefully I'll fly the drone. Brilliant day for it. Let's turn round. That's a chunky machine. And there's a waymark. Glen Loin Loop, Arrochar and Inveruglas. That way. I think that's the Three Lochs way, this one we're onto now. We've just come off the Cowl way. Oh, views to die for, as they say. Ah, look at that.
Army down there.
So that's Arrochar, that one. And that's Ben Namneen. And there is the Loch Sloy Dam ahead.
We all got soaked. Well and truly soaked that day. Well and truly.
Loch Sloy Dam. We made it. Quite an easy walk up actually, it's not bad. It's about 2¼ hours so far, another half hour will take us up on top, I think. Magic. So we'll climb up around there, through a tunnel and onto the top.